Here's a stat that'll stop your scroll. In 2025, dropshipping is projected to make up 23% of all online sales, with global revenue soaring past $85 billion. Let that sink in. It's not just a number, it's a fundamental change in how we buy and sell. While traditional retail faces high overheads, a new wave of entrepreneurs is building empires from their laptops. This isn't just hype. It's a monumental shift in the world of e-commerce. And the business model at the heart of this revolution? Dropshipping. The model is simple. You sell products online, and a third-party supplier ships them directly to your customer. You never handle inventory. This means no warehouse costs, no packaging, and minimal startup risk. If you've ever dreamed of being your own boss and running a business from anywhere in the world, this is your opportunity. This video is the complete roadmap to making that dream a reality. We'll cover everything you need to know to start your Shopify dropshipping business in 2025, step by step. By the end of this guide, you won't just have a vague idea, you'll have a clear, actionable plan. You'll know exactly how to. First, choose a profitable niche that aligns with your passions, ensuring your business is both lucrative and enjoyable. Next, we'll uncover the secrets to finding winning products, those in-demand items with high profit margins that customers are actively searching for. Then, we'll build a stunning Shopify store from scratch that builds trust and converts visitors into buyers, no technical experience needed. After that, we'll dive into marketing, showing you how to drive your first wave of targeted traffic and make those crucial first sales. And finally, we'll reveal the costly mistakes that sink most new stores and show you how to avoid them, saving you time and money. This isn't about getting rich quick. It's about building a sustainable asset for your financial future. Your gateway to freedom, profit, and purpose starts right now. Your niche is the foundation of your entire business. It defines your audience, your product range, and your brand identity. Here's how to pick the right one. Combine passion plus demand. Choose something you care about that others are actively buying. Validate with Google Trends and keyword tools. Avoid oversaturated categories unless you have a unique angle. Example: instead of selling generic fitness gear, focus on home gym products for small spaces. That's how you stand out. Your supplier is your silent business partner. A bad supplier, slow shipping, poor quality, bad reviews. To find the right ones, use AliExpress, Spocket, or DSers to vet suppliers. Check ratings, reviews, and communication speed. Always test order before listing a product. Pro tip: choose suppliers with warehouses near your target country. It reduces shipping delays and boosts customer satisfaction. Your products make or break your store. Look for items that solve a problem, spark emotion, or save time. Use tools like Ecom Hunt, Sell the Trend, or TikTok's Made Me Buy It trend feed. Check engagement, low competition, and clear benefits. Hot tip for 2025. Products tied to sustainability, personalization, or remote work are dominating. Now it's time to bring your store to life. 1. Sign up on Shopify. Start your free trial. 2. Choose a unique store name and buy a custom domain. 3. Pick a clean theme like Dawn. 4. Add your products and write descriptions focused on benefits, not features. Pro tip: keep your homepage clean, mobile-friendly, and fast. A clutter-free design can boost conversions by up to 30%. Apps are your automation secret weapon. Here are must-haves: DSers, sync products and fulfill orders. Pagefly, build high-converting landing pages. Klaviyo, automate your email marketing. Reconvert, add upsells and thank you page offers. Judge.me, collect reviews and build trust. Pro tip: use only what helps conversions. Too many apps slow your site. Now that your store is ready, it's time to drive traffic and make sales. Facebook ads. Use videos or carousels to highlight product benefits. Start small, test audiences, and optimize for conversions, not clicks. Organic growth. Post consistently on TikTok, Instagram, and Pinterest. Create content that educates or entertains your niche. Email marketing. Set up welcome emails, abandoned cart flows, and product updates. Personalized emails can increase clicks by 50% or more and cost nothing to send. Most beginners unfortunately fail because of simple, avoidable mistakes. Here are the biggest ones. Picking the wrong niche. Slow suppliers, poor product research, bad store design. Ignoring customer service. Quick fix. Treat your store like a real brand, not a side hustle. That mindset is what truly creates long-term success. Once you're profitable, it's time to evolve. Stop thinking like a store operator and start thinking like a strategist. This means shifting from daily tasks to a long-term vision, making calculated moves based on hard data. Your goal is no longer just survival, it's sustainable, scalable growth. And the language of strategy is data. You must track your key performance indicators, or KPIs. These are the vital signs of your business. First, ROAS, return on ad spend, shows if your ads are profitable. Next, CAC, your customer acquisition cost. This must be less than the value a customer brings. Then, AOV, or average order value. Increase this with bundles or upsells to boost revenue. The holy grail is LTV, or lifetime value, the total profit from one customer. This reflects loyalty. Finally, watch your CTR, or click-through rate, which tells you how compelling your ads are. Tracking these is non-negotiable. With this data, start optimizing. Reevaluate your pricing. Don't be afraid to test higher prices to increase perceived value and margins. Simultaneously, automate ruthlessly. Your time is too valuable for repetitive tasks. Use a third-party logistics provider, or 3PL, to handle storage, packing, and shipping. This lets you focus entirely on growth. Next, make A/B testing a core part of your operations. Never assume you know what works. Form a hypothesis, run a split test, analyze the data, and implement the winner. Test your ad creatives, headlines, calls to action, and page layouts. This continuous loop of improvement is how you find massive gains over time. Crucially, diversify your traffic. Relying on one platform is a recipe for disaster. For 2025, expand into these gold mines. TikTok offers incredible reach with authentic video content. SEO is your long-term asset for free, high-intent traffic from Google. Start a blog and optimize your pages. And Google Shopping is a must for capturing customers who are ready to buy, placing your products right at the top of search results. Remember, growth isn't about working harder, it's about working smarter. It's about using data, automation, and strategy to focus your efforts on the highest impact activities. Now, implementing all of this is a full-time job. If you're feeling stretched thin or find the technical details daunting, the smartest move is to delegate. Hiring a professional Shopify expert is a strategic investment. They bring experience from scaling hundreds of stores, helping you implement advanced strategies and avoid costly trial and error. But finding a true expert is hard. That's why I've done the research for you and compiled a list of the top 4 most accomplished Shopify dropshipping specialists for 2025. These are pros with proven track records and a history of delivering results. They can assist with everything from conversion optimization to branding and ad management. To get direct access to this vetted list of trusted experts, check the description section below. Let's bring it all together. Starting a dropshipping business in 2025 isn't just about generating another income stream. It's a tangible path to building a life on your own terms. It's the freedom to work from anywhere, the freedom to be your own boss, and the financial freedom to turn your passions into a profitable reality. This is your opportunity to design a future that truly excites you. Remember, every 6-figure or 7-figure dropshipper once stood exactly where you are right now, on the starting line, filled with a mix of excitement, a healthy dose of uncertainty, but most importantly, a core of determination. They faced the same questions and the same doubts. The only difference between them and those who quit is that they decided to start and kept moving forward. So, let's make this real. Here is your clear, actionable plan to get started. First, choose your niche. Find that sweet spot where your passion meets market demand and profitability. Second, build your Shopify store. This is your digital storefront, the home for your brand. Make it clean, trustworthy, and focused on the customer experience. Third, launch your first product. Don't wait for perfection. Get that first winning product out there and start gathering real-world data. And finally, test, learn, and grow. This is a continuous cycle. Use your marketing data to understand what works, refine your approach, and scale your successes. You don't need a business degree or years of experience. What you truly need is commitment to the process and a proven system to follow. And after watching this guide, you now have the blueprint for both. The path is laid out for you. So go ahead, take that first step, build your store, launch your brand. That first sale is waiting for you, ready to be the first chapter in your new success story. The journey starts now.